IECO. Whoa. IECO. With jet
Normal,
pulse.
yeah.
Alright, I'm getting
Oh, wow.
Whoa.
Huh, IECO mod.
It could be original.
No,
Yeah, I've never been on one before.
canon if it was original.
That's so cool. So I guess the other one was...
Independent elevator company.
Yeah, I guess the other one was an IECO too. Huh?
That's so cool.
Wow, 10 floor IECO. That's crazy.
I'm excited to be on an IECO, just because I've never been on one. This is really cool.
Yeah.
This is 8. Let's go back to 7 and up to 10 or something.
Yeah, I have a feeling it'll go right back down.
Yeah, fair enough.
Yup.
Asshole.
Here,
Jeez,
I'll
Tyler's just being so inconsiderate today. Nope.
Nice.
Why is the door so short? They could have made it bigger. We're just gonna...
Maybe it has a controller problem because it's like stopping on every level.
I think
There
people
was
are
actually someone calling it on the-
Wow.
Nice work.
Typical Tyler.
Okay, okay.
So typical.
Sorry, that one was my bad.
Disrespectful.
What is that? There's just an open J box there.
Here, I'm gonna
Oh,
get
it's here.
I'm gonna get my photos now. It's gonna go right back up.
Good idea.
Now I can cross IECO off my list.
Pretty cool little one.
Let's see what floor we're on. Oh, sorry.
No, you're
I keep just moving.
Here we go.